Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the biggest names in the car rental industry, Avis Car Rental. If you've ever planned a road trip, flown into a new city, or just needed a short-term vehicle, chances are Avis has been on your radar. But in 2025, is Avis still one of the best options for car rentals? In this review, we'll break it all down, covering an extended overview of the company, its key features, the pricing details, the pros and cons, and then we'll wrap up with a balanced conclusion on why Avis stands out. Let's get started. Avis Car Rental is one of the oldest and most recognizable names in the rental car industry. They were founded back in 1946 and it has grown into a global brand with a presence in over 165 countries around the world. They operate thousands of locations across airports, cities, and neighborhoods, making them a go-to choice for travelers worldwide. One of the reasons Avis has maintained its popularity for decades is its focus on business travelers and frequent renters. The brand has positioned itself as a premium service compared to some budget competitors, and it shows in the type of vehicles they offer, their loyalty program as well, and their partnerships with airlines, hotels, and credit card companies. In 2025, Avis continues to modernize. They put a lot of effort into digital innovation with tools like the Avis mobile app, self-service options for pickup and drop-off, and integration with GPS and connected car technology. Their vehicles also range from compact cars and sedans to SUVs, luxury cars, and even specialty vehicles. This gives customers a wide selection for different travel needs. So if we're talking about sheer reputation, global reach, and a track record of reliability, Avis definitely has this box checked. But as with any service, it's worth looking deeper at the features, the cost, and the real-world pros and cons. So let's dive into the main features now. Extensive global network. With thousands of locations, you can almost always find an Avis counter whether you're traveling domestically or internationally. A wide fleet selection. There are compact cars for budget travelers, sedans and SUVs for families, luxury and premium cars for business travelers, and even eco-friendly hybrids and EVs in select locations. There's also the mobile app convenience. The Avis app lets you manage reservations, change pickup or drop-off details, and even choose specific cars at certain locations. This app is available to download on the App Store and on Google Play Store. Partnership benefits. Avis partners with major airlines. They also partner with hotels and credit cards, so you can earn miles, hotel points, and discounts depending on the memberships that you have. Flexible rental options. There are short-term rentals, long-term rentals, one-way rental, and business accounts tailored for companies. Now, let us talk about the pricing. For most people, the pricing is a deciding factor. Well, Avis is generally considered a mid to premium rental brand. They're not the cheapest option, but they're also not the most expensive. The pricing, I would say, heavily depends on location because it's not clearly displayed on the website. You'd have to make a reservation or you'd have to contact their customer support service to know how much you're looking at for this rental. But generally, regardless of how much you spend, if you are on the Avis Preferred program, you get to earn points that accumulate for every qualifying dollar you spend. There's the Avis Preferred membership, there's the Avis Preferred Plus, and the Avis President's Club. All of this are great for rewards that you can redeem. What are the pros and cons of using the Avis Car Rental? Let's start with the pros. They have a huge international presence with thousands of locations. A wide range of cars that you can choose from budget-friendly to luxury cars. They have an excellent mobile app and they use digital tools. And they have a strong loyalty program with real benefits. That's one of the perks that make it stand out. How about the cons? Well, because of the premium service they provide, the pricing is higher than budget brands. And if you're not careful, the fees can quickly add up. So having considered all this, is Avis Car Rental really worth it in 2025? Well, if you're looking for a rental company with a long-standing reputation, global availability, and a wide selection of vehicles, also a loyalty program that actually rewards you, Avis is a fantastic choice. They balance professionalism with convenience, making them ideal for business travelers, frequent flyers, and even families on vacation. Yes, you might pay a little more compared to budget competitors, but what you gain is peace of mind, better service, and access to a strong support system if something ever goes wrong. In other words, Avis isn't just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about making the entire rental process smoother, more reliable, and more rewarding. So in 2025, with improved mobile tools, with more eco-friendly fleet options and strong partnerships, and also loyalty program that rewards you, Avis continues to prove why it's still one of the best rental choices out there. So, if reliability and quality matter to you, Avis is hard to beat. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Hertz, and Budget Car Rental. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.